Spending a lot on each of your Facebook leads but not getting the response as you want? First of all, learn to capture and store a perfect record of all these leads at a same place. And in order to do that, you are thinking that you might require a lot of efforts and a lot of time. But it's not the same. You can do it instantly as soon as the lead is submitting your lead ad form. Automatically, you can add all the details in a same place. And here I'm taking the example of Google Sheets. So I am running an advertisement on my Facebook page for my digital marketing agency, and I have also created a lead ad form. As soon as the form is submitted by any of my lead, all the details of the lead will get captured and a record will be created instantly and automatically in my Google Sheets. And to create this amazing automation, I have not used any magic. I have not used any developer tool. I have not used any coding or programming skills. I have simply created it by connecting my Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. And this is the automation on your screen, which you can also create very easily. So here we have just simply built a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets with the help of an automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect, without any coding and programming skills, by simply giving a one-line prompt, and this entire automation is created. Now every time I'm getting a lead, I can create a systematic record and track the lead details in my Google Sheets. I do not have to go here and there for checking out the lead details, and I do not have any fear of missing the data. I have all the details at a single place. Whenever I want to contact any lead, I can decide, and I can also add more details over here, more updates regarding the status, and this will help me to create the conversions very easily, and I can go one step ahead of reaching the leads and converting them. Okay, how I have created this automation? For this, I have built a simple connection between my Facebook lead ads. Here is my Facebook page. I am already logged in, and this is my lead ads testing tool. Here I have simply selected the application. I have selected what I want. I want to capture every lead instantly. I have selected the page name and the name of my instant form. After entering all these details, when I have clicked on Save and Send Test Request button, the response is captured of my Facebook lead ads instant form. And as I have built this connection, every time a new lead will be submitting the form, the response will be immediately and automatically get captured. Once the response is captured, and then I have built the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. For that, I have simply selected Google Sheets as my action app. I've selected the app event to add a new row every time the new form will be submitted. Then I've selected the name of my spreadsheet, the sheet name, and here I have used a method called mapping to insert the details over here, so that every time a new lead will be submitting the form, dynamic details will be automatically recorded without any manual efforts. How mapping is done? By simply clicking on / we get the response that we have received earlier. We can simply insert the data as we want. For example, here we have the lead name. We have inserted that and they are mapped. When we map the data, it becomes dynamic and automatically gets replaced every time a new response is captured. Once you will click on Save and Send Test Request button, a response will be captured and the data will be recorded over here in the sheet. And once you will build this connection, then you just have to sit and relax, because every time then a lead is going to submit your lead ad form, you do not have to do anything manually. Automatically the data will be recorded in your Google Sheets. That's it. Now, you can also create this amazing automation at your own by using Pabbly Connect. Just type pabbly.com/connect in your browser. You will reach towards landing page, and here you will find two options. Sign in if you are already an existing user. If not, click on sign up for free, and you can create a free new account for yourself. After creating the free account, you will also receive free 100 tasks to explore this amazing software. Once you will explore the software and you'll realize that this is definitely worth purchasing, you can use my coupon code given in the description of the video, also available on the left side of this video on the screen, SHRYT, and if you will use that, I promise you and I guarantee you, you will receive exclusive discounts at the time of checkout. Okay, and with the discount rates, you can go for this software. It is really helpful for your business. Once you get it, you can create multiple amazing automations for your own business requirements, not only in Google Sheets, but you can also transfer the data of your Facebook leads to your team members on your Google Chat space. You can send them emails by connecting Gmail or your email application. You can send them WhatsApp messages by connecting WhatsApp over here. You can send them SMS. Also, you can quickly call them using AI agents such as Bolna AI and another. So we have a lot of integrations inside Pabbly Connect, and definitely you can connect any application that you want. So do follow this automation right now. If you have any doubt, definitely write down in the comment section and I will be resolving it and sending you a reply soon. Also, if you have any specific requirement or any specific use case on which you want the video, write down in the comment section. I will be creating my next video on the same. Thank you for watching.